What are the benefits of olive leaf extract?
There's tons of benefits. Number one, it helps build white blood cell count. Number two, it's a great antimicrobial. It's been shown, antimicrobials are interesting because it's not, when you take things for your immune system, you think, okay, it's going to support, what is it going to do? People don't even know, it's good for my immune system. Well, some things are good for your immune system because they focus on boosting white blood cell count. Olive leaf extract is good because it boosts white blood cell count, it helps white blood cell activity, but it also has antimicrobial effects. It has an effect where it actually kills viruses and bacteria. And the third thing that I really love is it's a great antioxidant. So it helps squelch free radicals. So not only is it helping our immune system, not only is it helping kill the bad bugs in our system, but it's also decreasing free radicals, which are damaging to our system in general. So it really has a trifecta approach, and that's why it had to be in my resilient immune formula.